The following message has been transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration in the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Astronomers discovered a massive asteroid named 2019 ZXR 525. This asteroid is on a collision course towards Earth and will impact our planet in the next week. Satellites have been set up to try to prevent this asteroid from impacting Earth and killing humanity. All residents in the United States are advised to seek an underground shelter at this time. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Repeating, a massive asteroid is headed for the Earth and will impact our planet in the next week. Seek shelter now. 1 week later, 3 hours until impact. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The asteroid 2019 ZXR 525 that was discovered 1 week ago has been confirmed to hit Earth in the next 3 hours. There is nothing we can do to save humanity from this asteroid impact. Once the asteroid hits, giant mega tsunamis will form, planet-shattering earthquakes will occur, turning the Earth into a scorched fireball and blocking the sun for 2 years. All organisms on Earth will die when this happens. Bring all of your family members, friends, and animals that makes you feel comfortable and brace for the end. If you are a religious person, pray to your higher being. And now say goodbye to the emergency alert system. We had a great planet for only 4 billion years. We will see our friends and family in the afterlife. This is the EAS guy, Tom, signing off. This system will now cease transmission. 3 hours later, the asteroid impacted 200 miles off the coast of Miami, Florida. The entire planet is incinerated and is basically a fireball. All life was killed as a result. Rep Earth. Thanks for watching my first EAS scenario. Stay tuned for more.